What's up everyone? I'm in front of First Canadian Place, which at 978 feet tall has been Canada's tallest building since 1975. I thought I'd change things up a bit today, and instead of going for a walk, I'd check out the view of the city from high up. Alright, let's head inside and find our way over to the elevators. So this building is connected to Toronto's elaborate underground path system, which connects many of the downtown office buildings and subway stations together. During the weekdays, it's full of people and looks very much like a regular shopping mall, but since it's the weekend, it's pretty dead. Alright, let's go up and check out the view. I came up here earlier on a snowy day, and this is what it looked like. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this unique look at the city. I find it a bit more interesting than the more common view you get from up in the CN Tower. I hope to get out and check out some more interesting vantage points like this one in the future. Don't forget to like this video, and if you'd like to see more, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.